Ontario 129 is a remote and beautiful road that, combined with Ontario 101, stretches 340 kilometers between Thessalon on the north shore of Lake Huron and Wawa on the east shore of Lake Superior. Thessalon is about a 6-hour ride north of the GTA. You'll want to take the Highway 400 north to Sudbury and Highway 17 west towards Sault Ste. Marie. If you were to stay on 17 through Sault Ste. Marie and heading north to Wawa along the east shore of Lake Superior, you'd be treated to one of the most beautiful rides in all of Ontario. It's absolutely stunning ride with curves, elevation changes, beautiful scenery, parks, beaches, and plenty of places to pull over for a break and a photo op. It's a 3.5-hour ride, so plan accordingly. The focus today, however, is 129, which is much further inland from Superior. If you were to ride 129 and 101 combined from Thessalon to Wawa, it's roughly 4 hours and 340 kilometers in length. If you need fuel along this route, your only options are the Tunnel Lake Trading Post, approximately 33K north of Thessalon, and Chapleau, which is just a short 8-kilometer jaunt east of the 129-101 junction. The southern end of Ontario 29 is a nice ride with good pavement and no traffic. Stop in at the Tunnel Lake Trading Post for a break, souvenir, snack, and gas. This is where the ride gets really great with blind corners, steep elevation changes, and tight curves. The Dragon is real. It's a terrific ride, if not terribly long. Okay, so how does the Ontario Dragon compare to its original namesake at Deals Gap? Well, honestly, there's no comparison. Most of the Ontario Dragon is not twisty at all. At least 3 of the 4 hours it takes to ride Ontario Dragon is pretty much straight and not challenging. The southernmost end is by far the most challenging, with constant dramatic elevation changes and plenty of tight curves. It's an absolutely fantastic ride, but it's pretty short. So, is it worth a visit to ride Ontario's Dragon? Absolutely it is. The Ontario North is beautiful, scenic, and serene. Plan your trip over several days, and this area rewards with lots to see and do. Explore lakes, rivers, waterfalls, beaches, parks, camping, fishing, lookouts, and landmarks. I hope you've enjoyed this look at Ontario's Dragon and add it to your must-ride list. If you have any comments or questions, don't hesitate to reach out. If you've ridden on Ontario Dragon, please leave a comment and share your experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching, and enjoy your ride.